Welcome to my channel. Example problems 11th standard. If cos alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5 and sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13, find the value of tan 2 alpha. First we have cos alpha plus beta, right angle triangle. First we draw right angle triangle ABC. This angle alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. This is opposite side, perpendicular side, adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Cos alpha plus beta. Cos angle, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. AC. AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to adjacent 4, hypotenuse 5. 4 by 5. Now we have to find BC. By using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Given AB is equal to 4 square, plus BC square is not given, BC square is equal to AC square 5 square. Now BC square is equal to 5 square 25, 16 minus 16. BC is equal to square root of 25 minus 16, 9. 9 is equal to 3. Now we find opposite side. BC is equal to 3. Next, sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. Right angle triangle ABC. Here alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. This is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite 5. Hypotenuse 13. Find AB. By using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AC square. AB not given. BC value 5. 5 square. AB square is not given. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square 13 square. AB square is equal to 13 square 169 minus 25. 169, 5 square 25, taking 25 outside minus 25. AB is equal to 169 minus 25, 144. Square root. Square root is equal to 12. AB square equal to 144. Square root of AB is equal to 12. Now we find tan 2 alpha. Question asked tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha is equal to alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. Alpha plus beta. Beta cancel alpha. So here we have write this in the form alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. This is beta beta cancel 2 alpha, tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha is equal to tan of alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Now we consider alpha plus b as A, alpha minus b as B. This is tan A minus B formula. This is tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. This formula. First, we find tan A tan B. Tan A means tan alpha plus beta. Here we have right tan alpha plus beta. This is tan A. Tan A means tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan angle. This answer is important. Next, here tan alpha minus beta. Here also alpha opposite by adjacent. Opposite 5, adjacent 12. 5 by 12. Here AB is 12. So opposite 5, adjacent 12. Tan alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 12. Now we have to substitute tan alpha, tan A value is, this is A, this is B, this is tan A, this is tan B. Directly we can substitute. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Here we substitute 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus tan B as 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. By simplifying this, we get the answer. By simplifying this 12 LCM, 4, 12, here 4, 12, 12 is common LCM. 12 is common LCM. 12 3 times, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5. Numerator value 9 plus 5 by 12 divided by this 3 5s are on the 3 5s are 15. 15 by 48. Otherwise we can cancel 4. 1 minus 5 by 16. 1 minus 5 by 16. 3 4 times 4 3s are 12. Here 4 4s are 16. 5 by 16. 1 minus 5 by 16. By simplifying 9 plus 5 14. 14 by 12. 14 by 12 divided by 16. Here 16 LCM. 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5. Numerator 14 by 12 into reciprocal of the denominator 16 divided by 16 minus 5, 11. Simplifying 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 17. 7 into 16 by 6 into 11, 66. Multiply 7 into 16, 112. 112 by 66. 112 by 66. Again we simplify. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 33. This is the answer. If tan x is equal to b by a, then find the value of a plus b by a minus b whole root plus a minus b by a plus b whole root. A plus b by a minus b. plus a minus b by a plus b. A minus b plus a plus b. Divide numerator and denominator by a. First we divide numerator and denominator by a. A by a. Here a by a plus b by a divided by a by a minus b by a plus a by a minus b by a plus a by a plus b by a is equal to a by a 1. 1 plus b by a. 1 plus b by a by here a by a 1. 1 minus b by a plus a by a 1. A by a 1 minus b by a. B by a divided by 1 plus b by a. A by a 1, b 1 plus b by a. First we take LCM. LCM a plus b into a minus b form. Here multiply these two terms. 1 plus b by a into 1 minus b by a. 1 plus b by a into 1 minus b by a. Next cross multiplying. 1 plus b by a into 1 plus b by a. Root cancel. 1 plus b by a. By cross multiplying, root cancel. Root into root, root cancel. Here root into root cancel. Plus 1 minus b by a. Root x into root x, x. This assume this is as x, this is x. X into x, x square root x. 1 plus b by a. Similarly, this one. 1 plus b by a plus 1 minus b by a. Plus b by a minus b by a cancel. 1 plus 1, 2 divided by square root of a plus b into a minus b formula. A square, 1 square 1 minus b square. B square means b by a whole square. B by a whole square. Now we can simplify these 2 by root of 1 minus b by a is equal to tan x. B by a is equal to tan x is given. B by a is equal to tan x. We can substitute b by a instead of, we can substitute tan x instead of b by a. B by a is equal to tan x. Here we substitute tan x. Tan x square. Tan x square is equal to 2 by root of 1 minus tan square x. You can write as 1 minus tan square x. By simplifying, 2 by 1 minus tan square equal to sin square by cos square. Sin square x by cos square x by cos square x equal to 2 by taking LCM, cos square x is common. Cos square x, cross multiplying, cos square minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. By simplifying, 2 into reciprocal of this, cos x, cos square x root cos x divided by root of cos square x minus sin square x equal to 2 cos x. Cos square x minus sin square x equal to cos square a minus sin square a formula. Cos square a minus sin square a is equal to cos 2a. Cos 2a. This formula cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x formula. This formula cos square minus sin square equal to cos 2a. Cos 2a equal to cos 2x. This is the answer. if tan theta is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha divided by sin alpha plus cos alpha, show that sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to root 2 cos theta. First, we take this term sin alpha minus cos alpha by sin alpha plus cos alpha. Divide this numerator and denominator by cos alpha. Sin alpha by cos alpha plus minus cos alpha by cos alpha by sin alpha by cos alpha plus cos alpha by cos alpha. Sin by cos tan alpha. Sin by cos tan alpha. Cos cancel, minus 1 divided by sin by cos tan alpha plus 1. Tan 45. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 value is 1. Here we write tan pi by 4. Here 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. We write 1 is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 by tan alpha plus tan pi by 4. Tan alpha tan pi by 4. This is equal to tan A minus B formula. Tan alpha minus pi by 4 formula. Because tan A minus B, expansion is this. Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus B. This expansion tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan alpha, tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. 1 into tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4. So we can write tan alpha minus 1 by tan alpha plus 1 as tan alpha minus pi by 4. Tan theta is equal to this term. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha minus pi by 4. Tan cancel. Theta is equal to alpha minus pi by 4. Theta equal to alpha minus pi by 4. Show that sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to root 2 cos theta. Take this right hand side value. RHS value in the answer is root cos theta. Root 2 cos theta. Root 2 into cos theta is alpha minus pi by 4. Alpha minus pi by 4. Cos theta, theta is alpha minus pi by 4. Expand this term. This is cos A minus B formula. Cos A minus B formula. Alpha is A, pi by 4 is B. Cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Here A is alpha, B is pi by 4. Alpha pi by 4. Cos alpha, cos pi by 4, cos 45 degree. Cos pi by 4 means cos 45. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sin alpha is also sin 45 1 by root 2. We are taking LCM. Root 2 is common. Cos alpha plus sin alpha. Cos alpha plus sin alpha. Here outside root 2. Root 2 is here. Root 2 cancel. We have proved sin alpha plus cos alpha. Left side. Right hand side equal to left hand side. Sin alpha plus cos alpha. Answer proved. Sin alpha plus cos alpha is proved. Thank you.